Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lasalle, local and long distance movers near me. Choosing our long distance movers can help give you the options you need, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our long distance movers will provide you the right services you need for your moves. Whether you're going 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles, we can help you with their move. It doesn't matter how far you need to move, an Illinois moving company is likely necessary. Even moving one neighborhood over still requires you to pack up everything and move it. That's a lot of work and will take up quite a bit of time. With our help, you can avoid the heavy lifting. 3 Movers offers a streamlined process from professional movers. We do this every day and know how to save you time and energy. Our team will make sure you get to your new location sooner. In addition to local and long distance moving, our LaSalle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.